Hey friends, Lonesberry here for Woodford Brothers. Woodford Brothers are the basement experts. I live in a house built in 1840, and about half of the basement is from the original construction. So it's these big giant field stones that are laid on top of one another. They had some kind of mortar in between them, and then two other walls put in sometime since, and it's nice cement or concrete or whatever the heck that is. But it gets a little cattywampus. That's when you call Woodford Brothers. Contact them at basementbrothersradio.com. If you notice like the windows are a little jamming or the door won't quite close, and maybe because your basement is settled, and that's something that can be fixed. If there's a musty smell in your basement, that's going to get all up through your house carrying that mildew and mold. That's no good. That can be fixed by Woodford Brothers at basementbrothersradio.com. Or even if you have concerns about radon, they take care of that. If you've got a flooded basement, they take care of that. If you've got an unfinished basement you'd like turned into a room, they'll also do that. They are all things basement at Woodford Brothers. BasementBrothersRadio.com.